G'day everyone, Brendan Fowler here again from Fleetwear. Today I want to talk about something that a lot of people don't take time to consider when looking at a telematics solution or a fatigue camera solution in their business, and that's the importance of installation. So, businesses will spend thousands of dollars on hardware and spend a monthly subscription on their devices that they have in their business, but they don't really take time to understand the importance of installation, who's doing it, where the device is being put. So I just thought today I'd touch on what that looks like and why it's an important factor. We can provide the best hardware in the world, and we like to think that we do. We can provide the best software offering and service and support, but if that piece of hardware is not put into your asset correctly, or the wiring's not done correctly, or someone has cut corners, it can completely derail the whole solution and really impact the investment that you've made in putting this technology into your business. So before every piece of hardware leaves our office, it goes through a QA process where everything is bench tested. We make sure it works before it leaves our office. We then make sure that we send an install guide with every piece of hardware that leaves the office as well. And we only use qualified auto electricians around the country. We try to use the same ones over and over again who are trusted, they know our technology, and we know they're going to do the right job. Part of that installation is also ensuring that they call us to do a QA check at the completion of the install. So our team in the office here will run through all the notifications. Is this working? Is that working? Is there power? If we flick a duress switch, will that activate? If we do a test of fatigue camera, close your eyes, will it activate the seat vibrator? All of these tests are done before the installer hands the vehicle back to our customer, so that when the vehicle hits the road, we know that everything's going to work properly. So crucial piece of information to know: if you're going to install it yourself, that's okay, provided it's a qualified auto electrician, provided that person's going to call us to do that QA check and follow the install guide to the letter to make sure it works. The only times that we ever have issues with devices not working properly is when it's not installed correctly. And that might mean that a tracking device is put somewhere it's completely surrounded by metal casing, which means it can't pick up a GPS signal, and of course will impact its effectiveness. So location of device, wiring, and location of cameras and calibration of cameras all form part of the solution. So when you're talking to a telematics provider, ask them who does the installs, ask if they're qualified, and make sure that QA is followed.